So today we're going to be talking about escape string literals, and these are what we can use to tell Python that we want something to be part of text as a string and not part of declaring something. So we're only covering two basic ones today, which is backslash and \n. There are by far more of those, but to get started in Python, those are the only ones you really need. I'll explain them both in the video, and let's get straight into it. So, let me reset this, give me a sec, and we'll get straight into it. So, reset. Right, what are escape string literals? Escape string literals are what we use to tell Python that we're not using something as a command, but more as text in a string. So, for example, if we had a print statement like this, and we wanted to say, Johnny said hello, you can see the hello is not syntax highlighted in the same color as Johnny said, and that's because Python thinks this is the only string and that it ends there and starts another string here because we use double quotes. Now we could use single quotes, but sometimes we do need to use the same kind of quote as our string definition. So to avoid this, what we do is we add a backslash. And if you can see, that tells Python that this quotation mark is part of our string and not part of Python's default library for setting things. So if we put the backslashes there, when we run it, we should see that Johnny said hello and hello in speech marks. There you go, that's how it worked. Finally, just before we end this video, one last escape sequence, and that's \n. That's gonna print a new line. So if we do that and then say hello, well, what's gonna happen is we're gonna see the hello on another line. And there you go. So Johnny said hello, and it's on a different line. We'll cover more escape sequences in the future as we need them, but for now, that's it. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.